Oh, there's, so this is a new spot. यहाँ से अस्थियाँ आती हैं भाई लोग, ठीक है. The dead, if you die, you will come from this area. You will burn over there. वहाँ पे I guess न्यू अस्थियाँ चिता वाला वो बन रहा है, ठीक है. प्लीज़ अभी कोई ना आए. Anyways, this is the first. That is that stone. ये थोड़ा छोटा हो गया भाई, like little bit small, but anyways, it is okay. This is that. Now I guess Sun have said that you have to go away. Uh, it's my second day over here. As the first, I did this, and this is incomplete rain because of rain, but I did something else. Anyways, let's start. But I just got some new brushes that I'm going to use in this drawing, and there are some calligraphy brushes. And खुल जा भाई, प्लीज खुल जा, खुल जा. Yes. 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 So I will use these brushes, brand new. I also bought some of my own brushes. I mostly use are these three. These are some Bristol brushes, and these are brush pens. Anyways, I'm going to use these brushes today. It's feel like royalty. Ha ha ha. Okay, so these are my new brushes, and this one is the best. It have a lot of water holding capacity, and this one is really good in look as well. Sorry. The problem that I'm facing with these brushes are like my long handle brushes when I use oil, so they are reminding me of that, so I'm holding them over here mostly time when I was drawing at home. So I was holding this brush over here and I'm doing like this, so that is one of my mistakes that I'm facing with this brush. But doing it like this is more fun than doing it like this. It is like amazing from when you hold from back and you just throw some strokes. They are good like that. With purple. controlling the phone and doing it like this is a little bit harder. I really want an assistant. I should have an assistant for this kind of job to hold my phone for me. But I do not have that kind of money. Anyways, I'm going to add a little bit red for depth. Not black, it's a little bit of redness in depth. I just went a little bit overboard. Anyways, depth. Okay, so I really need water. Water. Uh, okay, all depth. A little bit more depth over here and places to be highlighted should also be depth. Depth. Okay, so I'm not going to do a lot of things. A little bit greenery behind. Just throwing. Okay, yes, it is fine. I'm just going this much. Okay, work. That was the reference. I was going to do that, but I just did this. I just messed up. Anyways, that was the first. Okay, like I'm sorry, they are just doing their. Someone died. So that was. So in this drawing, I'm just doing some like flashy work, fluffet wala kaam. That is the reference. I'm not going to make humans. I hate humans because me myself is so blue. Nature green. It's windy. You can see it is moving like disco dance, something like that. So over there, if you can see, it's depth. So I'm gonna add a bit of more colors over here. A lot of colors. Then the rocks. I'm going to add some big chunks of rocks, adding some vermilion green into my palette. Not adding some more, leaving it in this one much only. Some depth that is must. Guys, so this is a little bit a rock, kind of a rock over there. Over there. Okay, it's a bit dark. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of green over here to just make it like apart. Okay, then I should add purple with white, or maybe some yellow ochre for this. Uh, this thing is river. Guys, so this is going to be my first tone. Now we work in second and third, something like that. Not going that fancy enough, but this is the first. So what I think, I just messed up in trial drawing. uh, as you can see, I just messed up. It doesn't have a leg, it doesn't have a tail, it has nothing that can that is like that. But I will say I win something, that if I might have be doing this thing home or somewhere else, anywhere, I might have stuck making this little stones and all. So I think I did good, better than usual, because I can say it is life and all, uh, but still it is not looking good. Anyways, it is good for me. Maybe not good for you guys, but I learned something, that drawing in nature is harder than anything else. So yeah, that is one of my good thing that I did anyways. Oh, so this is my new work that I'm doing right now. It's that it's quite late and the sun is going to down set very soon. So uh, anyways, I'm just hoping this work will I can do this work as faster as I can, and then I can go to home and do my other works. But uh, about this work, the toughest part is these kind of rocks that are coming from here. Okay, these rocks that I'm not including in my drawing right now, I'm just adding something else regarding that. Somewhere I have broken the rocks structure, somewhere I have not broken, so I'm going to do something like that. Yes, I will uh, whatever or however. Yes, thank you. So the light is gone, and I'm still doing the work. So anyways, okay, so till now I have not used black. I'm using potion blue and crimson red. Right now over here I'm using a little bit vermilion green to get more richer black color, or you can say richer black tone, because I don't know why, but I'm using vermilion green more over here. I am not sure why I have not used here, but I'm using here. Anyways, okay, I messed up over here a little bit. I have to add a little bit black over here, but anyways, crimson red. Potion blue, potion blue, black. Strokes, strokes. Strokes, 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 strokes. You can see some more people coming to burn people, dead people. Guys, I want some Ganga Jal. Guys, I will add some depth. I have to add some river as well. So I'm going to add another layer of depth in river, but right now I guess it is looking much better. यहाँ पे हक दिया भाई मैंने, I just shit.